that which says differentiate between a zoospore and a zygote. What is a zoospore and a zygote? We need to state its differences. So we're doing difference in again two parts. One is our old classical way of difference, and the other one we'll make it into categories. So let's have a look. Zoospore. These are endogenously asexually produced unicellular spores having one or two flagella. Okay. Whereas what is a zygote? Zygote is a diploid cell formed from the fusion of male and female gametes. Remember kids, zygote is the first cell formed when fertilization occurs. So, it is a fusion of two gametes, whereas a zoospore is one. It is a gamete produced asexually. It may be haploid, whereas a zygote is always diploid. Two cells involved, male and female, thus diploid. This is mostly haploid. Zoospores take part in dispersal. They disperse in order to fertilize, and zygote will not have any role in dispersal. Okay. So if we write it in categories, it would be like produced by unicellular organism having one or two, unicellular spores having one or two flagella. Whereas what is a zygote? Fusion of male and female gametes. Ploidy level is always haploid. It is always diploid. Dispersal, it is significantly taking part in the process of dispersal, whereas it has no role in dispersal. Okay.